Hello there. One of my most favorite things about Halloween is transforming yourself. This is a face that I made up about 5 years ago for Halloween. I totally wore it to work, where I worked in an office. The quality of your paint will determine how good this is really going to turn out. I bought some super cheap paint last minute so that I could get this done and uploaded before Halloween. I'm not even going to tell you what brand it is because I don't recommend it at all. I will say, however, I just ate breakfast and drank coffee, and this has held up pretty well. All right, y'all want to see how I created this look? Let's go.